In an earlier video, we looked at solving a polynomial by a factor, a linear factor, by arithmetic division. I'm now going to show you a different way. It's more an algorithm, really. You'll see how it works, and you'll see similarities to it to arithmetic division, but it's much cleaner. So let me show you. So here was the question from the example 12 from the textbook, and you're dividing it by x plus 3, and this was the answer that we got. And it's a bit messy over here, but that was the answer that we got. So how do we do this question? Well, firstly, we make this upside down L shape. It looks a bit like an addition table, I suppose, but it's just going to create a table. And we write out the polynomial that we're trying to divide. So you can see in this case, it's 1 for x to the 4, no x cubes, 2x squareds, no x's, and minus 1 as a constant. We always put a 0 here, and we will always add these numbers. We're always going to add these numbers. So in the first case, we already know what the answer will be. It's going to be 1. Now, that doesn't make much sense at the moment. What else do we do? Well, this is a factor, and its root is minus 3. So we're going to put minus 3 there. Alright, so now what do we do? Well, we multiply these two numbers, and we write the answer in here. And the answer we get is minus 3. And then what did I say we do? We add them together, and that gives us minus 3. And guess what we do now? Yep, we multiply the minus 3 by the new minus 3, new value at the bottom, and write that answer there. Add them again, 11, and repeat that process. Minus 3, the root times 11 is minus 33, and add them, and you get minus 33. Do it again, 99, add them, and we get 98. And you may start seeing some similarities with the answer, but also if you look back at that other video, or you've already done example 12, you'll see something as well, that these numbers match something else that you've done, especially these numbers in here as well. Since we started with a polynomial of order 4, the answer will be a cubic. So this bit here will be x cubed. This bit here will be x squared. Sorry. This will be x. And this will be our constant. And then this bit left over here will be a remainder. If it went into it exactly, this was a factor of it, then this number here would be 0. In this case, it's 98, because from the question we had before, we had a remainder of 98. And you can see that is exactly the same answer. 1x cubed minus 3x squared plus 11x minus 33. How easy is that? Have a go, and I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching.